Hi guys, so I'm doing today a review of the Creme of Nature straight from Eden relaxer. I tried to find videos on this, more recent ones, as I believe the previous ones have changed, like from 4 years ago. So 4 years ago they used to have, the packaging had A and B, and I think A was for maybe finer hair or something, and B was for more coarse hair. But now there's just only one box. This is how it comes. I got this from a beauty supply store. The price of it was $11.99. So it came with a couple of things in the box. It came with this oil right here, which I ended up going back to buy like a bigger bottle because I absolutely loved it. It smells really good. That's the straight from Eden repairing oil, and it made my hair feel really smooth. I just wanted to do a review on the product. I don't have the container of the original cream relaxer, so there was a box, there was a relaxer thing here, if you guys can see. So there was actually the relaxer, and everything is labeled, so it's easy to just kind of like mix things and not get confused. So that came with that, and then you put the activator, which is B, and then you put the cream booster, which is C. I Texlaxed my hair, or started doing that a little bit over a year ago. So I put some olive oil, some extra virgin olive oil, a quarter of a cup in it. I was pretty happy with the results. No, I actually did not like so much. So I previously used to use the ORS olive oil relaxer, which was fine. For some reason I just wanted to try this one. And so yeah, the texture was thicker. When I did put it on my hair, it felt heavier, which is not bad. I left it in for 15 minutes. Overall time from application, it's 15 minutes overall, and then I washed it out. I did try the shampoo. I don't know, my hair felt really like weird compared to when I used the ORS. I was a little bit worried because it felt sort of like tangled or hard. I'm not really sure why. Prior to relaxing it a week before, I did a deep condition, a protein conditioning hair mask. So yeah, I'm not really sure, but anyway, yeah, this I stopped using that, and I actually went back to the ORS shampoo, which felt a little bit better. So I didn't really like this one, but overall I think I am going to actually try the relaxer again, even though my hair felt weird, you know, initially when I washed it. And I didn't actually try the conditioner. Oh, this keeps falling. And I didn't actually try the conditioner. I just used my ORS conditioner because it gives a lot of like great slip and makes the hair feel smooth and stuff. So I used that because my hair felt sort of like hard or whatever. So and previous people's reviews, yeah, they thought it seemed like they thought the conditioner was just okay. So I didn't even bother using it, but I will try and use relaxer again. But this oil I absolutely love. That's why I went to buy like a big pack of that today. And that was $8.29 from the beauty supply store. I think this line is pretty good. I actually like their, they have a shampoo, a moisturizing shampoo that I actually use now that I do like. It's sulfate free. And let me read the back of this for you guys. So it says no lye, no parabens, no mineral oil, no sulfates, no petroleum. I'll definitely give it another try again and see if I want to continue using it or going back to the ORS. All right, so this is a review from 2018. I had a hard time actually finding more newer reviews on the actual product recently. I did see a lot of reviews, but they were from like 4 years ago, so I thought I'd go ahead and upload and give my take on this. And I will probably try to show a picture of what it looks like if I'm able to. All right, thanks.